Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HD Saloon. In this tutorial you will learn how to split commission between employees in HD Saloon. Sometimes in Saloon, more than one employee will provide the same service to the customer. In such situations, you may want to give commission to your employees based on the service they have provided. In order to split the commission between the employees in HD Saloon, let us create a new widget and select the customer here. And here we'll add the employee and select the service. And click on OK. So here we have added the service. Say suppose this service will be provided by 3 employees. So in that case you have to click on split appointment. So here you need to add the employees who will be providing this service. So you can click on this button and select the employee here and click on OK. So here we have added 3 employees. All these 3 employees will be providing the same service. And here we have commission weightage. So here you can enter the commission weightage. The total commission weightage should be equal to 100. Or if you want to distribute this commission weightage equally, you can select this checkbox. This commission weightage is used for specifying how the total service amount will be considered for individual employees' commission. Say suppose the invoice amount is 100 and the commission percentage for this employees is 10, 20 and 30 respectively. In that case, out of 100, amount 35 will be considered for this employee, and on 35 it will calculate 10%. Similarly for this employee, 20% will be calculated on 40, the amount 40, and for this employee 30% will be calculated on the amount 25. Click on OK button. So here you will see the service that will be added 3 times since 3 employees are providing the same service, and click on Save button. So here you will see 3 appointments with different employees. Thank you for watching this video.